Now we go to the example 9. Actually, this one is the subtraction between two fractions. To handle the subtraction of two fractions, what we need to do is that we need to expand the both fractions into the common denominator, 通分母. But when we observe these two denominators, actually, they're nothing common. And there's no any factorizations we can do for these two denominators. So what we can do, we can just simply expand these two fractions by multiplying the opposite denominators. For example, the first one that we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by x plus 3. And for the fractions at the back, the negative x over x plus 3, okay, is use the subtraction. We multiply these fractions by the 2x minus 1 for both numerator and denominators. You see it? After that, the denominator will be the same. That is 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. But we need to put the numerator at the top. That is 2x times x plus 3 and then minus x times 2x minus 1. So what we need to do is that we need to simplify the numerators. But please remember, it's better for you to add the brackets for the both numerators. Why? Now I will show you. For the denominator, actually we don't need to change it. But for the numerators, 分子, when we expand it, 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times positive 3, that is positive 6x. But for the terms at the back, x times 2x is 2x squared, but should be minus. But for this one, x times negative 1 is negative x. Right? No. Why? It's because in front of that, that is negative. If we have added a bracket, we can see what's wrong. Actually, the final product, negative, negative, should not be negative, but should be positive. So if you have missed this bracket, I'm afraid that you will get these mistakes very easily. So actually, for the numerator, it should like that. So the final answer should be 2x squared minus 2x squared becomes 0. 6x plus x becomes 7x. So lastly, the answer should be 7x divided by 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. That should be the answer.